Good day, everyone. Today, I will share with you my digital teacher toolbox. This presentation is about how I see ICT as part of my future teaching. My vision as a future teacher: number one, ICT as my teaching partner. Second, lessons that are engaging and interactive. And third, blend of traditional and digital tools. Naniniwala ako sa nagiging partner ko ICT sa pagtuturo. So makakatulong ito para gawin ang mga aralin na mas engaging at interactive. Halimbawa, imbes na chalk at board lang ang gamitin, pwede akong gumamit ng PowerPoint o videos para mas malinaw ang pagpapaliwanag. My ICT tools. My ICT tools are laptop or computer, lesson preparation and for research. Next, the projector or TV screen, classroom presentation. Next is internet access for exploring resources. Learning platforms for Google Classroom, Zoom, or LMS. Apps is for PowerPoint, Canva, Kahoot, or quizzes. Communication tools is for email and chat groups. Assisted technologies for tools for special needs. Ito ang mga tools na plano kong gamitin. Halimbawa, pwede akong maghanda ng lessons gamit ang laptop, mag-present gamit ang projector, at magbigay ng quizzes sa pamamagitan ng Kahoot o quizzes. Para naman sa mga estudyanteng may special needs, pwede akong gumamit ng assistive apps tulad ng text-to-speech para matulungan sila. Benefits of ICT integration: inclusive learning for all, collaboration and teamwork, creativity and innovation, student engagement and motivation, and for flexible access to resources. Maraming benepisyo ang paggamit ng ICT. Una, nagiging inclusive ang learning dahil pati ang estudyanteng may difficulties ay pwedeng makasabay gamit ng assistive tools. Pangalawa, napakalakas din nito ang teamwork, gaya ng group projects sa Google Docs. At syempre, mas nagiging creative ang mga estudyante kapag gumagamit ng apps tulad ng Canva para sa kanilang outputs. And my commitment: to use ICT responsibly, continue learning new technologies, integrate ICT in lesson planning, delivery, and assessment, and prepare students for the 21st century. So bilang future teacher, ang commitment ko ay gamitin ang ICT ng responsable at tama. Patuloy din ako matututo ng mga bagong tools at i-apply ko ito sa aking pagtuturo. Ang goal ko ay ihanda ang mga estudyante para sa makabagong mundo kung saan bahagi na ng pang-araw-araw na buhay ang teknolohiya.